the question is the thick client and the thin client. So of course, the thin client is, in general, we call the browser. Simple as this. Thin client is the web browser, we call the thin client. If you are using the web-based application, you can simply use the browser, that is fine. But the company can decide if they want to make the backend, if they want to make a desktop-based application, means the users or employees can install on their Mac operating system or the Windows operating system. If the company decide that for their employees, that is called the thick client. Simple as this. So after the development is done, they have to install on their machine, and then the employee can use it. There are multiple purpose, there are multiple reasons, but it's exclusively business decision. For the TS for you, we want you guys fully focus on the thick client. Why? Because once you use the browser, you actually get distracted. Get distracted means that you are using other browser, you are doing other thing, you are going to the Facebook, you are going other thing, so on and so forth. We want you use the thick client more, so that you do not need to worry about the browser at all. Everything will be controlled from the thick client. But that's your understanding, that is correct. For the thick client, you need to install that application, .exe application or .dmg application on your computer. Then once you open it, you log in, actually it is going to your backend and the database, because it is connecting with your backend on the database. Another thick client application is any of the, if you install any of the application like the Microsoft Word, it's a thick client and the thin client. Thick client does, if you Microsoft Word is an application that you can store on your hard drive. But if you, and that's the one option. Another option is Microsoft give you, or you can the save on the cloud as well, means the Google Drive or the OneDrive. So the thick client can give both option. Thin client can provide the both option as well. Again, this all depends how the development team, the manager or the company decide how their application will work, which client they need, which client they don't need. It's all the managerial decision, then become the architect decision, then the development team just develop and get the work done. Did I answer your question, by the way?
Thank you. Yes.